Hi there, welcome to the online showroom here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. Today we're happy to present this 2012 Chrysler Town & Country Touring with only 89,000 kilometers with a lot of equipment.
Glad you joined us. We are a husband and wife team and we make sure that all our inventory is inspected. And this vehicle, this nice Town & Country, has new front brakes and rotors.
Some of the nice features that have been ordered with this Town & Country that you can work from the remote. Power sliding doors.
Very nice.
And a power liftgate. What better on a nice hot day to open the power sunroof in your new Chrysler Town & Country. Back in 2008 when they first came out with Stow & Go, it was an industry leader then and it still is now. You can actually fit a 4x8 sheet of plywood, so you go from 7-passenger minivan to a truck with a canopy. There's a ton of cargo space. You go from cargo van to full 7-passenger in less than 60 seconds with the Stow & Go. And when those seats are up, you just can't believe the amount of storage room you get in those Stow & Go buckets. It's amazing. So you can travel, have people, and still have room for all that extra stuff. Also, when the rear seats are folded up, you also get you've got a very deep well here, and just like I said, a ton of storage. It's so versatile.
At Miracle, we choose premium pre-owned. As you can see, this 2012 Town & Country is in incredible shape for the year of the car. The outside, as well as the inside, is super clean and in excellent condition.
Michelle was kind enough to show you the driver's side, but you know what? The passenger side is just as nice. When we walk down this vehicle, it's just really well kept. And it's nice to know that you're buying something that's good enough to put in our indoor showroom. Other awesome features include Uconnect hands-free for making those calls while you're driving. And again, nice clean dash, no lights on. And if you get lost, don't worry, your Town & Country knows where you're going with factory navigation. Dual zone climate control keeps the driver hot or cold and the passenger hot or cold at whatever temperature it's set at. We call this option the Peacekeeper. So the people in the back seat have a DVD screen, the people in the middle seat have a DVD screen. We have both sets of headphones and the remote.
Don't worry, if it's cold outside, no problem. Enjoy viewing your next premium pre-owned from the comfort of our heated indoor showroom. Under the well-lit lights, you'll be able to see how great the condition of the vehicle is.
Here at Miracle Truck and Car Company, we offer low-rate financing with extended terms. Plus, we also help our customers that have had bruised credit, which means maybe you've been slow in a payment or a divorce or just a health or a job loss. We have the bank sources to get you approved, which means we'll get you into a newer vehicle like this Town & Country at a lower rate. The whole time you'll be rebuilding your credit. Only here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. We're located on the corner of Highway 4 and Alberni Highway in the beautiful Qualicum Beach, Coombs area. All you have to do is look for the Coombs Country Junction. You'll see our outdoor display and the Miracle Truck and Car Company sign. And all you got to do is go straight down and you'll run right into our indoor showroom. You know what? It's just a nicer way to buy a vehicle. You can deal with one or both of the owners. We'll answer all your questions. We'll get you approved. We'll get you a payment. We'll appraise your car. It's simpler. It's easier. We hope you'll enjoy it. And you know what? We just really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video.